Good afternoon. Today we are going to talk about how to transfer your logs if the DOT officer asks you to do so. This is something that you need to be able to do. The DOT is not required to know how to work your ELD, but by law you are required to know how to work your ELD and know how to transfer those logs. Now, the DOT officer can ask you to do this a couple different ways. Maybe they'll ask you just to show you your cab card. This is your cab card. This is the one that we currently hand out to everybody. You should have this with you. I'm going to turn it around. The front of your cab card that we just looked at, it has the malfunctions and diagnostics on it, and it also says that it's a cab card. The back of it shows how to view your ELD driver logs. And then on this other side, it shows how to do an ERODS transfer. And we're going to go over both these things. All right, let's start here. So you need to be logged in. You do have to have your current and updated logs. So there's different ways you can do this. So you've got your status tab. Everybody should know how to change your duty status. You've got your summary of hours. You have your graph, your day logs here. Okay, so first of all, we're going to go to the day logs. And if you're going through a DOT inspection, you're going to want to go to your day log tab, and you're going to click on inspector mode. And what that's going to do is put a little bit more information on your log for the DOT officer. You can scroll down and see your different duty statuses. You can scroll back and forth here, and it'll show different dates. Go back to today's date. And if your DOT officer asks you to show the header of your log, you're going to click on that. And that gives your personal driver information that was required on there. Go ahead and click done. All right. You can also click the 8-day tab. It gives you last 8 days worth of hours. And then your load information. Okay, if the DOT officer asks you to transfer your logs to them and not just show you their logs on your ELD device, you're going to want to go ahead and go back to driver mode. And you can do this in a couple different ways. You can hit the ERODS button. ERODS file transfer will transmit your logs directly to a U.S. or Canadian safety official based on your operating zone. Do you want to proceed? And then you'll click OK. In this case, we're going to go ahead and click cancel. Or you can go to the 8-day tab and you can hit this email button over here. Click email. And you're going to put in whatever information the DOT officer wants you to put in. They might have you put in like a code so that they can find your specific logs, and then put in the email address that they ask for. You can put in your own email address, doesn't matter. Whatever email address you put in there, that's where it'll go to, and it'll send the last 8 days worth of logs. Minimize, and go ahead and hit request, and then sends. And that's it. It's pretty simple. So if you have any questions about any of this, please reach out to the safety team at Atlantic Carriers, and we'll be happy to help.